Assalamu alaikum, dear teachers. Today's bite-sized learning is about a much forgotten teaching skill and technique, that is the wait time after asking the questions. I have observed that many teachers get impatient after asking the questions, and within 1 to 2 seconds they give the answer themselves. They do not give enough time to students to register that question into their mind, think about it, and formulate the answer, choose for the best possible words for the answer. So they are unable to give the answers, and the teacher just speaks it herself. So this is a big mistake which many of the teachers commit, and from now onwards you have to avoid it. Thinking time, wait time is as important as all the other techniques which you utilize in your teaching lessons. Today's learning bite is about wait time. So this is neurologically proven that after asking the question, at least 5 to 6 seconds of wait time should be given to the students. And do not give the answer yourself, and do not rely on those few students who are the gifted one who abruptly raise the hand due to other reasons, maybe as well. Maybe they are already familiar with the topic, they might have learned it previously, or they might were more mentally prepared than other students. But you have to cater all the students in your class, so you have to give them the wait time and the thinking time before you expect an answer from the maximum students. Thank you. And meanwhile, you can watch the natural beauty of KPK as well. These are the surroundings of Balakot. And keep learning, keep growing.